WhatsApp introduces new home screen widgets, camera updates for iOS users. WhatsApp today on October 22nd updated to integrate a new home screen widget selected for chats. The newly introduced feature is available on the iPhone after updating to version 24.21.81. Once you've updated, the widget can be added to the WhatsApp home screen utilizing the Edit interface. Users can select from recent, favorites, pinned, or frequently contacted to receive immediate access to their preferred chats. WhatsApp is noticed as the platform is introducing various updates to enhance the user experience. Moreover, the Meta-owned instant messaging platform has integrated support for using 0.5 times to 3 times zoom with the built-in camera. And there's an option to mention others in status by typing the Add button in the Composer. However, it is important to note that not all users will get these updates currently, and WhatsApp claimed that they'll roll out over the coming weeks. Meanwhile, it's also reported that WhatsApp will announce a new personalized chat memory feature to its chatbot.